Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Freshsales account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your Freshsales CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Calendar from Freshsales anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Freshsales is a popular way to manage your clients, but maybe you connected the wrong Google Calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Freshsales dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Freshsales account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove a Google Calendar from your Freshsales, you got to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click here on personal settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see these options up here at the top. It looks like 8 or 9 buttons, but you want to click on this one right here, calendar and conferencing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Google Calendar that you have connected to your Freshsales. You can see mine right here. And in order to remove this from syncing into your Freshsales, over here to the right, you're going to click on the trash can. Okay, that went by pretty quick, but there was no confirmation. Immediately when you click the trash can, it's removed from your Freshsales account. So now my Freshsales is no longer syncing into my Google Calendar and vice versa. If I want that in the future, I would need to reconnect my Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from your Freshsales CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.